Hello students, welcome to a new class where we will be discussing about number system. To start with number system, we will go little back in our flashbacks and why the necessity of the numbers came in the picture and what was its role. So in the ancient time when people started counting the numbers, they had only tools of 10 fingers, so they used 1 to 10 as their counting numbers. Then later on, it took a time when they felt the need of the large numbers. At that time, when Arab people came and they explained people about the larger numbers. So that is why Indian place value chart is also based on Hindu Arabic numbers. So they invented the numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and kept on increasing. Those were called as CVS natural number. Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? They are nothing but counting numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and continuous series. Then when they felt a need that 0 was invented, the group was allotted a name of whole number. So we started with 0 and continuation. Clear? 2, 3 and so on. When the numbers were invented, we also followed for larger number a table called Indian place value. So the numbers were invented and they were represented in 3 forms. First form was numeration, word form and expanded form. These were based on 2 types of tables. One was Indian place value and the other one was international place value chart. Now what was Indian place value chart and international place value chart? So we'll be taking now the difference between Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Both started from the right. Clear? Both started from the right. Here we had a pair of 3 followed by 2 in each successor, whereas here the pairs were of 3, 3, 3. Now let's see in detail regarding Indian place value chart. So Indian place value chart as started with ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores and 10 crores. So as in the classification I said, it started with right side first 3 pairs, then 2 and then 2 and then 2. So this together was called for thousands. This was for lakhs. This pair is for crores. Now using these tables, the use was to express the numbers from number to number name to numbers, numeral form and then expanded form. So how to write the numbers here? Like, let's take few examples. If it is 3205, so it was 3000, we will be mentioning it here, 3205 3,205. So we didn't have anything regarding tens place. So this came as 5. Clear? Now what about tens place? Tens place will remain empty? No. We will be mentioning 0 here. So this is the number form of 3,205. Clear? Now similarly the increase came in the picture, and to explain you far more better, let's take one more concept here. The concept is, as I told you, the number were based on 10. So this was having 10. Here 10 power 1, then 10 power 2, then 10 power 3. This is 10 power 4. This is 10 power 5. This is 10 power 6. This is 10 power 7 and 10 power 8. Clear? So, this also tells there is 10 power 0 means 1. Clear? And this is, let it be 1. Here it is 10 power 0. This is 1, 2, 3. This also tells you that 10 has number having position in tens will have 1 0. 100 will have 2 0. 1000 will have 3 zeros. 10,000 will have 4 zeros. Then lakh will have 5 0. 10 lakh will have 6 0. Crores will have 7 0. And 10 crores will have 8 zeros. Clear? Now, the powers will tell you how many zeros a number has. Now let's write a number name in the numeral form. How will we write? 6 crores 72 lakhs 39,008. So 6 crores just below 6. 72 lakhs. This is 72 lakhs. 39,000. 39,000 and 8 it is. So 8 will come here. No 100, no tens. So what will be doing here? Shall we leave the place empty? No. When nothing is mentioned, we will be putting 0 over here. Clear? So this was number name in the numeral form. Let's write the same number in the expanded form. Now, while writing the number in the expanded form, we need to take care of the powers. Okay? Now, 6 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Many times students get confused how many numbers to be, zeros to be added. So for that we need to write the place value. Below that you can write in this form, which will help you in writing the numbers exactly without mistake. Then plus. This is 72 lakhs. So first 7 into 6 zeros. Clear? Plus 2 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 9 into 1, 1, 2, 3 zeros plus 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Clear? So when you draw the table powers, the expanded form becomes very easy for writing. Clear? Now we will write the predecessor and successor of any given number. Now when we write predecessor and successor, predecessor is nothing but -1 or also called before number, and successor is nothing but +1 or after number. So any digit number which you consider, whether it is 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 8-digit number, 7-digit number, the predecessor means just subtract 1 from the given number, and successor is to add 1 to the given number. So if you have a number as 345, so what will be the predecessor? Predecessor, as I told you before, number will be 344 and successor will be 346. So what we did, we just added 1 in the ones place. Clear? That will give you the predecessor and successor, which were also known to you previously as before number and after number. Now we know how to write a number in number name, expanded form, number name to numeral form. Now we will be comparing the numbers and then we will take the example of ascending and descending order. Now to compare a number, let's take 6,24,321 and the other number be 6,25,042,321. Clear? Now when we are comparing the numbers, to compare the number it is 625,74321. 625,42321. Now what is the rule of comparison says? When you compare, first rule says that count the number of digits a number is having. The number with the greater number of digits definitely is going to be greater. And the second rule says start comparing the digits from the left, because left side in the period this table will give you the higher value. Now we can see 6 and 6 are same, 2 and 2 are same, 5 and 5 are same, 7 is greater than 4. So here itself the number is 7,004. If you compare it, this is in the 7,000 position and this is in the 4,000 position. So we will stop our comparing here itself and we will declare that this number is greater. So clear? Now that is 6,25,74,321 is greater than 6,25,42,321. Let's take an example of arranging the numbers. Now how will we arrange the number? When arranging the number comes in picture, the only easiest thing is to write the number just below the place values and compare it. We'll take one example of this. So the example for arranging and comparing the numbers. Now once the numbers are placed just below the place values from the given question, we can first decide the position of the values and then we can arrange them in ascending or descending order as required. Now you all know what is ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number will be kept in the first position towards the left and then we will be increasing the numbers. Descending means the first number will have the higher value and then that means coming down from the stair is decreasing and going up is ascending. Clear? Now to compare it, as I told you, the first law of comparison says count the number of digits. So if we count the number of digits, the least value is showing here 9,84,671. Then next one is, next value will be, after this we have two numbers with the same values. Now we will compare them. 3, 3, 7, 7, 6 and 9. So which number comes next? It will be obviously 3763214. Next is 3790423. Then we have two more numbers. Then what are they? 1 and 1 same, 8 and 8 same, 3 and 4. While comparing, this will be lesser one. So 1, 8, 3, 4, 0, 2, 1, 7, 1, 8, 4, 3, 1, 0, 5, 6. So the ascending order series is ready, and now we can comparison we have done in the arranging of the numbers in increasing order. Now this is ascending series, and if we want to write descending, then this will be your first position, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now after comparing this, numbering the positions, we can write the final answer as this number is clear. So we have arranged it in the ascending order. In descending order, we will reverse the series with reverse of sign. Okay. Now we'll take one word problem as example. Now what is the example? So word problem example. A businessman earned rupees 36 lakhs 48,970 in a year 2014. Next year his earning increased by 9,56,880. What was his earning in the year 2015? So the solution will be, what will be the solution? A businessman earned rupees this much. So earning in year 2014 and then increased earning in next year in 2015, and final will be total earning in 2015. So placing the values 0, 7, 9, 8, 4, 6, 3. So 36,48,970 rupees in the year 2014. In year 2015, it was increased by 0, 8, 8, 6, 5 and 9 will be added to this, because he needs what was his earning. Means earning is the previous year earning and the new earning when added together will be 0, 7 plus 8 is 15, 5 plus 1, 8, 18, 1, 9 plus 6 is 15, then this is 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1, 6, 1, so 4. So final earning at the end of the year is 46 lakhs 5,850. Clear? Similarly, we can find the difference also. If the first year 2014 earning is given and 2015 earning is given, the question can be reversed by asking that what was the increase in 2015. So in such a case, we will be writing the yearly income of 2015 minus yearly income of 2014. You will get the difference of the income, or you can say the income is raised by this during the year. Clear? Now, we will be soon meeting with the next video where we will be discussing about estimating the numbers and operations of estimating and doing sum, multiplication, division and addition. We will be ending the class right now for till this extent, and we'll meet soon.